Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like, share this video, leave comments down below. As we doing a regular video, this isn't a live video, regular video. It's pre-recorded, and you guys will see it after I publish it. I have to still show what the conditions look like as I'm heading to the house now. I'm talking to yours truly, Ghost 77, and Howard. Found him. He's at the moment he at home. You guys still there with me, or y'all done left?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Now, how you said the highway was looking on 388 Ghost?
Highways on 385, all the overpasses are nothing but white, maybe one or two tire tracks. I just passed by Hellier Road. There's only
y'all see that, don't you, ladies
3
and
cars
gentlemen?
on the highway.
Y'all see that? I just passed that little bridge in Maine. Ooh-wee.
Yeah.
It's time to get in.
But, this rental vehicle that I'm driving, this Audi, it's all-wheel drive, and I just changed it to off-road, so I've got dynamic steering.
Okay.
I don't know what that means, but I felt something different. The car lowered down just a little bit more, and it feels like I got better traction.
You do.
Yeah, this is my last order. This person, he better be blessed. He's getting his food.
Ooh-wee. You talking about? I feel some.
I could go for some General Style chicken right now.
I heard that. Oh yes, it's icing over, man. It's ice. We in it too. I just got through dropping off that last order.
This overpass right here. This overpass. Nothing but ice.
You probably just passed me too.
I'm on 385.
That's what I'm talking about. I just passed on the 385, so you probably passed.
Yeah, I'm going. I'm headed towards Piperton, but I got a car that's going slow in front of me, and guess what? I'm going slow behind him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you can see, it's ice covered there.
I'm not going to be this idiot out here saying, oh, this ain't nothing, and 60, 70 mile an hour, and then spin out and wreck a vehicle.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. You just passed me. I was going under as you was going across.
Yep.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, but these 18-wheelers, though, this ain't nothing to them, and when they see this, they're blowing by at 65, 70 mile an hour.
Right.
Which ain't right.
Okay.
Because they're actually causing more of a hazard than anything.
Right.
They might been up in, northern states driving this stuff, and this ain't nothing for them.
Right.
But plus, they're loaded down 80,000 pounds.
Right.
So, but you got a car that's 4,000 pounds? Nah, sorry, ain't gonna happen. And if the wind starts kicking, come on now.
Right. Yes, indeed.
Finally made it to 72.
I'm the only person, I was the only person on the street.
Yep.
I was, but I see somebody else want to challenge these elements too.
This person better be blessed. Better be thankful that I delivered their food.
Well, I know them kids, when I saw them, man, jumping up and down, man, I guess it made it worthwhile for me.
Oh yeah. Well, I delivered one pizza order just a little bit ago, and it was a kid that opened the door, and I said, is your parents here? And the kid was probably maybe 6, 7 years old. Opened the door to a stranger, because I had to ring the doorbell. And I said, is your parents here? Is your mama or daddy? Oh, mama, our pizza here. And she comes to the door, and I said, and I told her, I said, what's going on in today's age? I said, you don't need your kids opening those doors just because the doorbell rings.
That's
and
right.
she goes, yeah, I know, I've been trying to get on them about it. This is the thing, Rev, you can talk about this. This all falls into driver safety. If an adolescent opens the door, don't hand the order to them. Ask for their parents. Ask for the guardian. Ask for the grandma, the grandpa. You know what I mean? The brothers and sisters. somebody that's of age that
Right.
can take that order.
Right. Right.
Because they come back and say, well, you handed that order, but you touched my kid. And then you're in a heat of trouble.
Yes, indeed. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, in this pre-recorded video here, you see how the street conditions look. You know, so in that little hour that I worked in, an hour and 30 minutes I worked in, I made probably $40 to $50. But look at the conditions though. I got to be very careful going to the house. You know, I think Ghost and myself and a few others still out here. But at least Howard made it home at the right time. You know, so made it home at the right time.
How long you been at home, Howard?
For about 30 minutes.
I got you. It's starting to get nasty out here. I'm up here in Collierville. I'm on South Center Street. I got to go to East South Street. Up here, let me see where to go. Almost Collierville Square.
Well, I'm
the train sitting.
Okay, I'm passing Merchant Park now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, roads ain't too bad right here, but 385, I took a chance getting on it. But
Yeah,
I'm
I
not taking
understand.
385 back home, I'll tell you that.
I understand. Well, watch out for these side and back roads, because they getting covered right now.
Oh, yeah. But, well, the thing is, I'm not going down Reynolds, I'll tell you that.
Me either, bro. You'll wind up in that, whatever.
I will take Shelby Drive all the way to Hex Cross.
That's what I'm trying to do. That's exactly what I'm trying to do.
I'm not going to go down Reynolds. Oh, I just slid.
Yeah, I know, bro. Like I said, it's covered now. You know, it's covered.
Yeah, I got to go up here to Quinn Road.
It was icing up over there before I left.
I don't think we're going to be getting out in the morning.
No, I don't believe so either. I gotta make a U-turn.
200 East South Main. I hate this street.
Police might come in behind me.
186, 192, 194, 198, 200. Oh, good. I can pull off the road.
Yes,
Give me
indeed.
1 second, fellas. I'll be right back.
Alright, you good? Yeah, Red Robin, I think they done already closed their doors. They trying to get up out of here. If they smart, they need to get up out of here. You know.
I'm surprised they haven't closed it already.
Yes, indeed.
Now, they were trying to get the word when I was in there.
Oh my God, I almost
You
fell.
said they was trying to get the word. I think they done got the word now, though. Yeah, let me get across this street.
Big photo.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I got ice on the bottom of one of my windshield wipers. Yes, indeed. Like Ghost, I'm going all the way Shelby Drive bound until I get to Hacks Cross.
In dash, in.
Yes, sir. Yeah, ice. I'm surprised my folks didn't call me. Any other time they would have done called.
Yeah, Dad was out a little bit earlier with the around that 3-4 o'clock mark.
Right.
Ice started coming down,
Right.
and you know my dad's older in age, and he was walking up a driveway, and he almost fell straight forward. He had to hurry up and step in the grass, and he called me. He goes, "Aaron," he goes, "I'm going home." I said, "I don't blame you. I don't need you to fall again."
That's right.
He's prone to falling and all that.
Right. Right, but yeah, I did that last order.
I told him. Go ahead, Red.
No, go ahead. You was talking. Go ahead. My bad.
I told him, I said, I'll stay out to when I start seeing some things on the street, you know, ice and shit like that.
And
And then that's when I'm going to head to the house. And I'm heading to the house. I've ended my dad. I've ended my grandpa, everything.
Yes, sir.
Now, with me being out here in Carterville Town Central, Old Town Carterville, I got to make my way back to Olive Branch. So.
Right.
But I'm hungry. I need some food. Keith, what you cooking?
I ain't cooking nothing.
Come on now. I'll go buy some stuff you fire the grill up.
Hey, you close. Hey, you closer to the rail than me.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, indeed.
All three of us, we need to get together and do a barbecue. And I invite all of you to my house to do a barbecue. And I can put on a brisket, smoke it for about 18 hours, and we can go over to my next door neighbor's house, Stefan.
Okay.
Good time, good company, and if you guys want me to arrange that, put it on, I can do it.
All right, I'll get in touch with you on. Oh yeah, these streets are covered now, brother. These streets are no longer black ice, it's white.
I need to say about them.
Yeah, we are, brother. We're gonna be safe. I'm driving 25 to 30 miles an hour. That's it. You know, so we hanging in there.
I just got back on 72, dropped that order off, got back on 72, I'm headed up to Poplar. I'm going to run Poplar to Forest Hill, Irene to Shelby to Hack, and back home.
Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting ready to let you go off of this episode. As the red button telling me it's time to end this episode, so until next time, we'll see you. Woo-wee, I felt that one. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Peace and take care.